I'm gonna walk you through NIO, xpev, and Tesla's stock price and what I anticipate the price will be in the future and how I'm doing that. So let's begin. Let's jump right into it. All right. So Tesla, NIO, xpev. What I like to look at is the market caps. I like to look at very easy comparisons. These may be wrong and these are not financial advice, so do not take this as financial advice. These are just my thoughts. Okay, so with that being said, let's look at the market caps of each company. So we got Tesla at 407 billion, NIO at 56 billion, xpev at 25 billion. The prices are different, but to me, price doesn't really say much. I like to look at market cap. Market cap tells me how much people believe in the company. At what point do people start to say, hey, you know what, it's overpriced? And for me, I think we reached that with Tesla. And we look at the Tesla annual charts and annual sales. Well, actually, the charts. We look at the chart. It looks like it has peaked up already. All the momentum, all the emotional trading has occurred in this period right here. And that's what I think we're going through with NIO. With NIO, we're going through that period of FOMO and momentum, and it's trying to catch up to the anticipation that NIO will also be like Tesla at some point. xpev as well. It just kind of IPO'd in August 27, or it probably did like some type of merger or something. But the price was 18 cents at some point, according to this chart right here. But I think it was, I mean, that's crazy if it was. People who got in that early are, well, must be very excited and happy. But right now the price is 34, and the question is the price too high to buy right now? I personally think for Tesla, I am no longer buying to hold Tesla, and neither would I think of buying and holding forever NIO and xpev. I just feel like holding as a swing trade for like months or 2 months or just 2 weeks or even a week, to see momentum play out, or even whatever it takes for you to see that momentum has ended. So what I predict the prices to be for these companies depends on so much, like how close is NIO to Tesla and how close is xpev to Tesla. NIO and xpev are Chinese companies, and they are very similar. And so all I'm looking at is how close are they to the leader of the EV industry, which is Tesla. And let's suppose, like, the deliveries, as we see here, the 2020 deliveries, these are not accurate. I'm anticipating maybe we'll get like 38K for NIO deliveries, 30,000 deliveries for xpev, very close to each other. So with that being said, I think that the price of xpev will surely be very close to NIO, and the price for that to happen, it would basically have to double, because the market cap is half of NIO's, but the price is close to the same. Their share price is, so there's about 1.36 billion shares of NIO, and there's only 705 million shares of xpev, which is close to half of the shares of NIO. So that what that would mean is, to match the market cap of NIO, xpev will have to close to double. So in order to double in price, it would equal 72 $72 per share. So 38 times 2 is 72. Sorry, it's 76. Sorry, my math is off. So $76 if it were to match the market cap of NIO. But let's say they were all to match the market cap of Tesla, then the price would just have to be 297 for NIO and $618 per share for xpev. That's if they were all equally the same market cap. If NIO had a market cap that Tesla has of 407, if xpev had a 407 billion market cap as well, these would be the prices highlighted. Right here, equal market cap price. The 429, of course, is the same for Tesla because that's the one we're comparing it to, and the 297 is for NIO, 618 is for xpev. But that's saying like, hey, NIO and xpev are for sure going to match the market cap of Tesla, which in my opinion I do not think so. They are not at that level. As we look at the deliveries, they are 10 times less than Tesla. But I think that NIO and xpev are very close in competition with China, so I think their market caps will not be equal to Tesla because they would be kind of like sharing the market share would be different. Like they will have to like compete uh, for customers and stuff like that. Tesla as well, but Tesla has customers, will be developing customers around the globe as it grows more gigafactories or whatever they call those factories where they build Teslas around the world. NIO and xpev, I'm not sure how much they have expanded, but based on the deliveries, it doesn't look like so much. But for me, in a trade point of view, my trade, what I think is going to happen is that NIO will likely reach, NIO and xpev combined will reach maybe half of the Tesla's potential in the coming couple years, but not fully the whole 407. I'm gonna go with the safer approach of just being a little bit more conservative and just say that NIO will double and xpev will quadruple. Why quadruple? Well, because it has to catch up to NIO. If NIO doubles to 112 billion market cap, in order for NIO to be that, it just has to quadruple. So the quadruple price would be half of the final price right here, because NIO plus xpev are going to equal 200 billion, half of the Tesla. It could be more, but for me, I'm trying to be more conservative here, and my anticipation is that maybe I'll probably I think I'll see something like NIO at 100 and like, which is not even half. It will be a quarter of that price, a quarter of 297. So let's take out our calculator. 297 divided by 4. So I think we'll see. I think I'll see NIO at $74 before it peaks off, and for xpev, I think I see myself, or I see it going to 1/4 of 618. So 618. So 154. So 74 and 154. So that's what I think the price will go to. I only bought like 10 shares of NIO I have right now and 3 shares of xpev. I'm just playing it safe, just testing out what I could play with my money or do with my money. I don't have that much money, but I'm only putting in money that I'm willing to lose. And so never put money that you're not willing to lose. If you were to lose it, you will not feel bad about it. That's what I mean by money that you're willing to lose. That you put it, and like if you lose it, fine. But I'm not telling you what to do. This is not advice. This is my ideas on what I think the price will do, based on a very simplistic approach, very simplistic analysis. This is not at all like great advice, to be honest. This is just me taking a simple approach based on market caps, based on deliveries. Deliveries do tell me a lot that they're not anywhere near Tesla yet, but because of all this FOMO, all this emotional diving into companies, I feel like it's just gonna happen because of an irrational exuberance of people coming in and buying up the stock. So it's not gonna be a rational thing. The stock market is not really, it's very, how do you say, it's rarely rational. So right now we're seeing all this irrational buying, and I'm just looking to take advantage of this irrational buying. So with that being said, I hope you like this video. Tap the like button if you find this video informative, and make sure to always be subscribed. So hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on any future videos and ideas about stocks which I have on watch. See y'all on the next video. Bye bye.